make my favorite chocolate truffle, but in a cookie form. So it's not really my favorite because my favorite comes from C's Chocolate, and it's a dark chocolate truffle with white lines on it, and it's a lime truffle, and that's not what this is, but that's okay. We're gonna make it anyways. So to start with this, you're gonna take your dark chocolate royal icing. This royal icing was flavored with orange, so again, we're not doing my lime, but that's okay. Flavored with orange and then colored and again flavored with cocoa powder, and I just added cocoa powder until it was a dark chocolate color. That's what I was going for. And I would tell you what the flavor was like, except for I can't eat royal icing because I can't have eggs. So there's that. But anywho, we outlined the cookie just like the other two cookies that are already in this set. And now I'm just filling it in. The pleasure of working with this dark chocolate royal icing is that it did not fall off the cookie. If you've seen the milk chocolate videos, you know that that was somehow thin and somehow thick and somehow always falling off the cookie. The downside of this dark chocolate is that even when it looks like it has evened out and you don't have these lines of like where I piped it, they're still there. It's sneaky. So I'm gonna come through with my scribe now and just kind of even out those lines. I'm making sure that my cookie's fully covered in my icing, that I have not a thick layer. I'm not here for a really thick layer of icing. I want a layer so my cookie is completely covered and there's no changes in light. You can kind of see the light reflecting on the cookie. I want it to be smooth. And then I'm coming in with the contrasting chocolate color. So if I had done a milk chocolate base, I'd come in with dark. I have a dark chocolate base, I'm coming in with milk. And I'm letting the icing kind of fall out of my piping bag, and then I'm placing it onto the cookie and slowly letting it fall out of my piping bag until the very end when I release pressure. The key here is not to touch your piping bag to your cookie. It feels counterintuitive. Don't do it. I wish I had a side angle. I apologize to you. I am just one girl with one phone recording myself decorate cookies. When I am one girl with two phones or a camera recording myself, the content is gonna be chef's kiss, guys. Anywho, let the icing fall out of your piping bag. So you want to have a little bit of pressure. This is where the patient comes in. So you can get these nice crisp lines and you have your striped chocolate truffle cookie. There's two other cookie designs in this set. Go try them out. They are delicious. Take my word for it.